Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been following along, it is great to have you here again. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the exciting content we have coming on your way. Today we are diving into customizing Django Allauth templates as I indicated in the previous video. So grab a seat and let's get started. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't checked out the playlist for the series yet, it is packed with useful insights, so make sure to give it a look and be updated. So let us jump right in. So before we jump right in, let us see what we did in the last video. Let me run the server, python manage.py run server, and then let me visit localhost. So in the last video, we managed to integrate Django Allauth for authentication and user registration. So we created this so that when you click on sign in, you are directed to this page where you can sign up and also can request for sign in code sent to your email and use that code to sign in. So in this video, we are going to customize all these templates so that they can match our design here, our design. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, you need to understand how the templates are named in Django Allauth. And if you don't know how they are named, you can navigate to your virtual environment. Like me here, I have virtual environment.env here, and then go to libraries. And libraries, you can see Allauth, and then under Allauth, you can see templates. You can see account. So these are the templates that we will be customizing. So you can see we have login. We are going to customize login. We are going to customize sign up. So you can see we have sign up there. So we are going to customize this. We are going to override all these templates and then customize them using Tailwind CSS. So to do that, we need to create an app. You can see, let's create an app and say accounts. So we will have to create an app. So Django admin start app, and let us call that app accounts. Okay, once you create an app called accounts, go to settings, base.py, and then here we need to add that accounts. Say accounts. And then inside the accounts, now we want to override a sign up page and login page. So let's navigate to accounts, and on the views, we need to override user registration and the user login functions of Django Allauth. So we have to create two functions. So the first function is user register, then it takes in the request, and then let us return render. Let us point out to our template. So we point out to our template, so say request, then we say we want our templates to be in accounts signup.html. So if we go to our virtual environment libraries and Allauth here, you can see even in the template structure they have account. So that is why we are placing, this should be account, not accounts, so that it matches with the template structure inside our Allauth package library. So we are going to style up this signup.html. So we are overriding the one that is here, accounts. We are going to override this one, signup.html, this one, and then we also need to override login.html template. So to do that, we need to say dev user login text request, then let us return render text request, and then our template will be inside our account, and then we call it login.html. You must ensure that these templates match the ones that are inside our Allauth templates. Okay, you can see we have sign up and also we have login. I have ensured that these templates match the ones that are provided by Django Allauth library by default. So for us to override them, so we need to go back to our templates, and now we create these templates. So we say accounts, not accounts, account, we create a folder called account, and inside the account, that is where we will have signup.html. Hit enter. So we have that. Let me refresh this. Let me see if the server is running. No module name products count. So let's go here. Okay, we need to put a comma here. Now we are set, and then let me refresh this. Now what we need to do here, we need to customize this signup.html. So since I have already done this, so I'm going to my GitHub and copy it directly from there and paste it. Basically what I'm doing here, I'm customizing this base.html. So I'm going to get my base right here, layouts, get my customized, and then copy it and then paste it right here. As well, I'm going to get my sign up. This is how you do it. So if you have already created your sign up template, I'll copy it everything and then head back to my sign up and accounts, templates, accounts, where I have my sign up, and then I will copy everything and paste. So you can see I have altered my page a little bit. So let me run npx so that it can apply Tailwind CSS styling. So this is my sign up. Let's now again create login.html. So login.html, I'll go back to my templates, accounts. I will create login.html and then head back and get my styled, my custom login.html. Here my login.html is right here. Then I'll copy everything and paste it right there. So let me explain what has just happened in these two files. We have the sign up. What we are doing here is we are customizing the default Django Allauth templates. What we did first, I created an app called accounts to replace to override that of Django Allauth, and then inside my views I created two functions. We have user register, point out to my custom templates. We have user register to count to point to my sign up template, and user login to my login template. And then I went to my templates inside my project and then created folder called account, and then I put those two templates inside my account login. If you follow this structure, is the same structure is being followed in Allauth. So if we go to Allauth, you can see they have an app called accounts. If you go to the views inside account, go to the views, you can see they have sign up view. And then if you go to the templates, so this is the account, and then if you go to the templates here, so you will be able to see a folder called accounts. So what we are doing here, what I'm trying to do is to override all these templates so that I can use my custom Tailwind CSS styling. So I have managed to override login and then sign up as well, since I have created this login and sign up inside my project templates. So that is how you override them. So you can see if I refresh this, you can see there is some changes there. You can see now we have that. If I click sign up, remain on the same page, maintaining the base.html because it is inherited. Okay, so you can see here in my sign up at the top, I have inherited base.html, of which base.html is this one inside my project templates. This one I've also loaded Allauth. I've also loaded social account, since we will be logging in using social account. I've loaded static since I'm using some images, and then here is my custom styled sign up using Tailwind CSS, and then here is where now I'm using Google. So you can see I have this button for Google, and I have created an if statement if social account is enabled. So you can see on our settings we had enabled social account. So let's see, where's social account is enabled. So let's look and see. You can see here we have social account enabled. So that the same thing here. If social account enables, and then it will show this anchor tag button with this image, okay, saying sign up with Google. If it is disabled, then this will not show up. That is why I had to use this if statement. So sometimes you may find that you don't want to use social account verification method as one of your user authentication method. So you may want to disable this. So if you disable this, nothing will break. This button will not be shown up. Okay, and then we have else. You can see you can now sign in using that form, the form, and then the form we have the action account sign up. Remember, we don't have this URL. This URL is provided by Django Allauth. So if we can go to environment and library Allauth and then go to URLs, we'll be able to see that. We'll be able to see that, that accounts, yes, said accounts, go to URLs here. You can see account login, and then we have account sign up. So basically we are utilizing the given URLs by Django Allauth. So that is what we are using here, and then we have CSRF token. Okay, this is for security, and then we have redirect fields, and then we have defined our fields, and then the name of the field is email. Okay, because we have the email, and then we have the password. We have password 1, password 2, then the system will check both passwords if they match, and then the account is created successfully. Then I have here already have an account. You can log in directly. So I have added this login URL. And then I have this image. So you can see we have that. So if I click sign up, get this image, mail me is there. Let's see sign up. Okay, this image needs to be styled. Okay, so to ensure those styles take effect, let me collect statics. Say python manage.py collect static. Let me say yes. Okay, let me stop the server and then restart it. Let me refresh this. Okay, 127. We have that. Now we have this custom styled login page, and also we have the sign up page. You can see. Okay, so we have this sign up with Google. So using this, we can as well log in. So we also need to override some more templates, like for example, if we sign up with Google, can click, you can see it is not looking that great. So we are going to do that as well. So what we are going to do is, let's go back to our templates. We have account, and inside our account we need to override more templates. So for example, we need to override confirm login code.html. We need to override password reset HTML. Basically, we are going to override everything that is here in Django Allauth templates. So we have these templates, and you go here, here at account, we are going to override all these templates so that we can apply our own custom Tailwind CSS. So that is basically what we are doing. So let me create another file here, and that file, let me call it confirm login code.html. So I'll go back to my GitHub account, and then I've already created it. So here I will copy everything. Is my custom. Okay, it is matching the other one, the Django Allauth template. The only difference is I'm applying Tailwind CSS. So you can as well go to Django Allauth templates and copy all of them using the same procedure that we have done. You create an app called account, and then you create inside your templates, you create a folder called accounts, and then duplicate all templates inside Allauth templates inside our templates accounts, and then style them as you want. The same procedure applies. So that is basically what I did here. So confirm login code, I'll copy everything and then go back here and paste it. It is the same. If you go to Django Allauth, you will find confirm, then templates account, will be able to see confirm login code. This is what we have styled. We have managed to override here and style it with Tailwind CSS, and you can see the action. It is almost the same. The only difference is the styling. So if I open the one in Allauth template, you can see the action is the same. Action is confirm login code, and the same here, account confirm login code. Okay, so it's the same. And then the next template I want to override is email confirm. So inside here we are going to create another one called email confirm. So I'll go back to my GitHub account and then copy the email confirm, copy everything right here, Control C and then Control V. The same procedure applies with the way we did confirm login code is the same way we have done with email confirm. And then let us style again. Let me close everything here. And then let us style again. Inside our account, we need to style logout.html. So let us style that. Say logout.html. And then I'll go back to my GitHub account and then copy everything, come here and paste. Okay, and then I want to create another password reset.html template. Then I'll go back to my GitHub account as well, click on password reset, copy everything, and then I will paste it. Okay, and then now I will now override again password reset done. Okay, I'll go back and then copy password reset done, Control C, Control V. So I will copy everything and place them inside here, and then we will see how it looks. So after customizing all the templates, so let's go through the templates that I have customized before we go back to checking out how it looks. Now I've customized account, so let us go through the process of customizing Django Allauth templates. So the first thing you need to do is to create an app called accounts. And inside accounts, go to the views, and inside the views, create these two functions, that is user register and then user login. And then go to our accounts. Inside the templates, create a folder called accounts, and then inside account you can go back to Django Allauth. You can go to your environment and look for Allauth inside the libraries right here, and then you have Allauth, and inside Allauth go to templates, and inside the templates go to account, and then you can copy all these templates and then style them using your preferred styling framework. If you're using Tailwind CSS as am I, you can copy, like you go to your templates, project templates inside accounts, and then you create password reset.html. You style it with Bootstrap or Tailwind. The one that is like this one will override the Django Allauth templates. So by creating account, we are overriding templates that are inside account folder inside Allauth library. Created the snippets and then styled them, and then styled all these templates using Tailwind CSS, and then I created Allauth, and then I created a base.html layout, and then which is inherited with some of these templates. Okay, so basically that is all that I have done for this video. So let's go back to our browser and see how it looks. So if I refresh this, so if I click sign up, you can see it is way different than the default one that is provided by Django Allauth. You can see we have sign in with Google, we have mail me sign in code. So if I click it, you can see it is way different, and then you can use other sign in options. Okay, we have not. So if I enter my email and then request, you can see a success message. So if I log in my email and say, you can see here I have that message of Django Ecommerce sign in code. So if I open it, you can see I have that code. Can copy that code and then go back to my page, paste that code in and confirm. Verify your email address. So that means I haven't verified my email address. So I'll go back to my email address, and you can see I have the confirmation link sent. So I'll click on this confirmation link sent, and you can see confirm. Then I will say confirm. Now I'm logged in. So you can see it is working. We have managed to customize Django Allauth templates. I want to stress on the procedure of customizing Django Allauth templates. It is very simple. So I can log out as well, can click there, can sign up. You can see I can use this form to sign up and create an account, can sign up using Google. So if I create Google and click continue, you can see it is bringing me here. There is an issue with redirect URLs. Okay, so I know why is that. I'm using 127, and in my Google console developer console, I did not add these URLs. Okay, so I used localhost. So let's use localhost. So let me click here and say sign up. So once we are in localhost, let me try to log in now. Let me try to sign up for free, and then I'll use this, then continue. I haven't styled this page. And then let me try to use you see I'm signed in as Sniper Marube. Okay, since now I have created an account, I can give review to this product. So let's say I want to give it 3 stars. It already have 2 stars by another reviewer. So let me do something nice and then submit review. You can see my review has been submitted. So if we go back here, we have 50%, 50%, and these are the reviews that have been given by different users. If you are new here, you have to go back and watch the entire playlist until here so that you can understand how we created this review system, how we managed to style this home.html and all other templates. So takeaway of this video, I want you to know that you can completely customize your Django Allauth templates so that they can look nice and professional than those the ones that are provided by Django Allauth by default are not styled, so you cannot use them for production because they are not that responsive. They are just there, so you have to style them. So to do that, I have shown you how to style them. All you have to do is to create an app called accounts, and inside that accounts, go to views, create these two functions, and then inside your templates have account folder, and then place all the templates from Django Allauth templates inside here, and then customize them as you would want. So if you want to check out how I've customized them, you can go to my GitHub account, Sniper Marube, and then go to this project, Django Ecommerce. You will be able to get all customized templates for this project. Okay, all these templates, you will be able to get them. You can fork the repository and contribute to it, or you can fork it, or you can download the code and play with it around. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to check out the full playlist for the series. It is the perfect way to stay on track. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay awesome.